Hi guys, welcome to Digibotz Learners. Today we're gonna check this error 502 bad gateway. Previous session we have created a test site on a local server, and we got that issue. Now 502 bad gateway. So log into your server and log into the we have Nginx server. Log into the Nginx path. Sorry, we have to go to site available that location, and this is the current configuration file which I am using for this site now. Yeah, we were using 7.2. Now we got this as a 7.1. So I'm gonna change this configuration and reload the nginx sudo service nginx reload. Yeah. Yes, I got the site back normal now. Wonderful. Yeah, everything is working perfect now. So this is the site which we are trying. Yeah, it's working. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe us for more videos. Bye.